Hey staff, as you know, we are starting team newsletters that we're sending home to families every couple of weeks. We're going to have 3 team newsletters before the end of this year. So your responsibility is to add a short little blurb about what's happening in your classroom in our team newsletter template. So this video is going to help show you how to access those team newsletter templates from our staff handbook. You are going to access the staff handbook from the KCMS website by going to Teacher Resources and clicking on Staff Handbook. From our staff handbook, you're going to click on Family Dialers and Communications. In here, you're going to see KCMS Team Messenger. Now from here, you're going to click on the 2018-2019 school year. And you're going to see 3 due dates. These are the 3 dates that you're going to have to turn in a short blurb about your classroom activities for our newsletter. So I'm going to click on the first one, which is due April 5th. When you do that, you're going to see each team represented here in this folder, and you're going to find the document for your team. So let's say I'm on Challenger Point. I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to add information about what's happening in my classroom, celebrations, important dates, big projects, underneath the heading for my class. So if I was the English Language Arts teacher, I would come to English Language Arts, and I would start to enter information about what's happening in my classroom. After you've turned in your short blurb by that due date, your job is done. From there, I will be sending it home to families the following week on that following Wednesday so that they know about all the great things happening in your classrooms. You can also submit pictures or links just by inserting them in that document, and I'll format it so that it looks great on that newsletter home. Thank you for watching. The newsletter home will be a really powerful communication tool to families.